Zoleka and her family go to Mthatha for imbeleko kabavumile. uDabs kaLazarus welcomes uZoleka, but things go left when the ceremony does not go as expected. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So uTata Lazarus is excited that uZoleka says that she saw uMajola. Zoleka lied about the whole thing. I think she read a book that explained to her how things go, and then took all that and did a whole explanation about how she saw uMajola and how it looked like it was a dream, or like ngathulele ngathuvukile. It was like it's hard to explain. Uzola is going on and on explaining this whole thing, even explaining that uMajola is brownish or burgundy in color. And then uTata Lazarus agrees with eke you did see uMajolo umbone ngempela mntanami. Lazarus is shocked because amangaka, why is Zoleka lying so much? And without prior planning, like they didn't discuss this, Zoleka just went ahead on her own and decided to lie that she saw uMajola. Tata Lazarus is happy, says that the way Zola explained it is the very same way that Lazarus' mother explained it. So he's convinced that Zola indeed saw uMajola. And now he's happy, saying that they must do imbeleko mntwana tomorrow. So the following day, imbeleko mntwana must happen. And they must all go to Mthatha kwaNgqukana and do the whole ceremony. He says that he's going to call usister wakhe uNomfundiso to start preparing everything. And then they start preparing ukuthi bazohamba. Zoleka says bye to Chawe, and they start packing. She's definitely taking uDaphne with her. And then Thumeka also wanted to come. She sent messages to Zoleka requesting to come with her so that she can help with the baby. But Zoleka gave her a call and said that actually asizohamba nawe. We're taking Daphne and we will be fine. Lazarus is there. Also, Femileke is there. So she's only taking uMagaba no Lukhanyo with her and leaving uThumeka. I'm so happy because she's leaving Thumeka because uzofika le busy empumlifana nekamva. Like they don't need that type of energy. They just need positive vibes. So I'm so happy Thumeka uyasala. Lazarus then leaves to go to Kusela and sort out the CIO thingy. And then uThumeka kasaphathekanga kabi. She's happy. She's not happy ukuthi uZoleka is not going with her. Also because they're flying with a private jet. They're saying that uTata Lazarus apparently is snobbish and doesn't prefer flying economy or flying in like crowded airports. So they're gonna fly using a private jet. Thumeka is not happy because she was looking forward to a private jet. As we don't worry, mama ngizokutholela now a private jet. I'll get you a ticket one day. Sizohamba say overseas and all that. uThandeka comes and says, how? Tum, why is it that they're having the imbeleko so fast? Are they not supposed to wait for the umbilical cord to fall? uHlathi comes in saying, yeah, Nami, I was surprised. Why are they doing it so fast? I'm just glad ulimisa kai lapho. And then they go kwaNgqukana. They flew private jet. They're arriving there. Yemotos wanukusho, G-Wagon, Viano. They get to the house. Like everything looks fancy. They can just see they're a wealthy family. And then uDabs ukhona ke uNomfundiso, uDabs kaLazarus, auntie in English. And then they start abamukele ke uTaNgqukana introduces her sister uNomfundiso, welcomes uMagaba no Lukhanyo to the family and says they're welcome at home. uDabs ke athi uphi umzukulwana wami. Lazarus knows Zoleka. They start looking at each other. Also uNongcaba mentioned that uDabs law is like a watchdog of the family. Anything that is suspicious, uDabs will be looking at you. She's the one who notices first. So nje uLazarus knows Zoleka abamjonge because usharp ke lo, she's the one who's going to tell ukuthi something is off la. Now they're worried ukuthi what if uDabs sees ukuthi umntana akusiwona okaJola. And then they're sitting there around the women. Baya uZoleka sitting on the floor. Well, they're sort of like talking to her at uDabs. They are thankful. They're grateful for what she has done for their legacy, for their family, giving them ubavumile, ubazalele indlalifa yabo. So Mamgwevu and Ntombika Pikicha, we are very grateful for what you have done. uDabs also says that she wishes that uZoleka will marry into the family so that she becomes a bride yakwaNgqukana. But then she understands what izinto relationships amanje are different, so she cannot force things. And then says ukuthi she's now welcomed as umalokazana, as umakoti wakangcukane. And then they start with the ceremony. Utata Lazarus is usobuhlanti at the kraal, no Lazarus, and then all the women are sitting out like outside the kraal. Uzoleka is not there, meaning they left her in the house. I think she's not supposed to come to the kraal. And then Tata Lazarus says they're doing the ceremony to welcome Vumile to show that their sisters have approved of him. And then I decided so now that you've shown usukhulile mntanami, saying this to Lazarus, you've grown now, you're a man now, I'm going to give you the spare to do the honors. Uhlabe like you're supposed to stab the thingy, supposed to slaughter the goat. But then I think the goat is supposed to cry, but the goat doesn't cry. So Lazarus is busy, man, trying to like slaughter, but this thing is not, like, what's supposed to happen is not happening. Everyone is looking at each other. Udabs is also wondering what's going on. Udabs ends up standing up and leaves. I don't know, good to yapi. Now, Magaba, they're like shocked to Skonzagalani. And then, now everyone is getting worried. Even with Lazarus looks at his dad. What's happening? But Lazarus knows the truth. So probably that's why. Now he's panicking because he knows this shouldn't be happening. So Igushe finally kale, it's not crying. This means something is off. And then Ekusela everyone is panicking about the position, and then wondering who got it. And then they start getting emails, Ulinda and the other lady, because they did not get the position. I don't know. And then Mawat didn't get anything. And then all of a sudden he's celebrating, telling the guys that drinks are on him, they're celebrating a pallet. Does this mean that he got an email to say that he got a job? Or just because he didn't get an email to say that he got a job, he's now celebrating, assuming that he got the job? Oh, tick. And then also nabantu bakhe abadikayo, Utsaki came up with an idea that will work for them to get the money. Instead of robbing the bank, actually they just get money from the government when they deposit money for more grants and all that, so that people can also, so that Capital Bank will go to Khusela and say because they did not protect them for the breach, so they're going to blame Khusela for the breach, and Khusela will be in trouble. So and they like the idea. Sydney like the idea, saying it's gonna work, but Dice is against all this whole thing, saying that he doesn't like robbing people of their work. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.